There's more to gardening than planting a seed. Plants bring joy and enrich our lives wherever they are. When you look at the beautiful trees and gardens of Calgary, it's hard to believe that it was once prairie grasslands. We've come a long way as a city, and we're quite proud of our part in it. Who are we? The Calgary Horticultural Society, of course. For over 110 years, we've helped Calgary become a greener and more beautiful city, all through gardening. We've always believed that plants are something special, ever since our start in 1908. Since then, we've been working to help educate and spread our passion for gardening to other Calgarians. The result? The beautifully green Calgary we all know and love today. Over the years, we've delivered classes, hosted horticultural events, planted over 20,000 trees, published a few gardening books, and helped set up over 150 community gardens. 110 years later, and we don't plan on stopping anytime soon. When it comes to gardening in Calgary, we know how tricky the Chinook climate can be, but we also know that it shouldn't stop you, no matter where you are in your gardening journey. The Calgary Horticultural Society is here to support and guide you, offering you the resources and tricks of the trade. Along our journey, we've cultivated a vibrant community of gardeners connected throughout Calgary. Wonderful members who all share the same passion for plants as we do. Whether you're facing a gardening problem or looking for a community, the Society and its members are here for you. Why do we do all this? Because we believe that as the gardening community grows, the city's quality of life improves, and so does the environment. A community that gardens for life, gardens for a better future. Here's to 110 years of gardening, Calgary, and many more to come. To find out more about the Society or to become a member, visit calhort.org and come grow with us.